Hello everyone, my name is Spring Haley, and today we're playing Ratchet and Clank once again. So I didn't have to do the water level, but we're going to destroy. But we're going to destroy everyone anyway, so I don't even freaking care.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Okay, now I'm going to be destroying everyone in this entire world. Oh god. Oh god, okay, this guy's gonna kill me anyway, so I don't even freaking care. Ha! Take that! Spring Haley for the win! I'm just gonna use the blaster because, for one, I don't even care. Oh my gosh! Ha! Take that, freaking Captain Clark! Oh my gosh! Oh. I'm gonna have to try again. Okay, now guys, this is where the game starts to get hard. I'm gonna try beating this level for you guys, but I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I doubt it. Take that. Take more of that. I don't freaking care. No, take that. Die. Go back inside to wherever you freaking came from, because I don't care. Oh, I better not get so close like that. And the last one. Throw bombs over here. I don't freaking care. I'm gonna kill everyone. Oh, great. I'm low on health. That's great. We're gonna actually find health. Oh my gosh! This level is hard! I don't know why.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I swear that I'm actually going to beat this. Get out of my way! It's like there's no health packs on this level at all. Take that. Take that, barf bag. I didn't even see that! Of all the health... All in order. I'm actually going to stay back for this one. This is kind of a cheating way to get out of things. And I died again! How? That's cheating! You can't reach that far!
Hi there, Fuzzball. Oh, that's a nice one.
Do I have enough of that? No, I don't. Do I have enough? No, I don't. I don't have enough money for any of this stuff. god, I may have a corpse inside my suit, but I still have a freaking brain. Oh my god, go away, please. You're making this harder than you already seems to be. Hey, I'll shoot you down. So I'm gonna wait until I come back around and shoot him. Yeah, take that. You guys are bullies. No! That isn't possible! Cheaters! Oh my god!
Oh, that's a
There's no way! If I die one more time, then that's it. No, and I drowned. Okay, what time are we at? I hate this level. Oh, still got 6 minutes. Yeah, well, I can do one more run. Okay. Let's get down and actually try to beat this for once.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I have no idea. This is supposed to be the better level because we don't have freaking water. Maybe it helps if I actually dive down and actually try to do it. My god, those... I'll have to start using bombs on my own. Okay, where is it? See, there's no way those should reach that far. Take that. This is gonna be my last freaking run anyway. Take that. I don't freaking care anymore. You can freaking die, butthole. One more is coming around. One more bomb's coming around. Oh, this is the farthest I've gotten. I'm done. I'm done. This game sucks. Oh my gosh, I really don't want to do this. This is going to be my last run. I swear to God it is. It's my last run.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
We haven't used any... Oh, we did use the bombs, though.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
We're going to have to start buying new guns. And we're actually going to stop paying for bullets. We just got to have enough to buy every single gadget and weapon in this game. Which I'm going to get because I can't get anywhere with this level. So that's ejected. Just blow them up before they have a chance to strike. The little ball things are actually pretty easy, but in my professional opinion, it takes us from the whole other problem here, which being that this level is freaking hard. See? Okay, this is like the farthest I've gotten already. Oh, actually, I'm going to try to use flamethrower. Finally! Okay, I have to let this last one kill me. Okay. I just don't want to make this 9 minutes. I don't know if I should do this even more. Should I, guys? I think that's me done. Alright guys, so please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Let us know in the comments below if you want any of the Nightmare animatronics to do this Let's game, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.